Dash 8, but we'll come back to this model for next week. We'll get a wheel spin right. Traction installed for next week, which will be good. So that'll be all good. Right, that does mean we can go straight to the Triumph 31. So let's get her on the track next. We'll test out. She's not as loud as Dash 8. I can tell you that much. She's much more quieter in comparison with that Dash 8. So even something 40 years old, it's much more quieter than that other local wheel because trying to run. But she seems got some issues that one. But this one will move. You drop a bit of fuel oil in this one, it will go very quickly. And that drag sound, but it's actually coming from the Triumph motor wheels, because the wheels are very, very old. And this is 40 years old, this train, so yeah, she's not young. So that is the reason why she's not probably running as smoothly as some of the others we were testing earlier on. But there's a lot more trains I will be getting in the future. Probably some maybe this month, maybe it depends on whether I get my newish computer beforehand. Yeah, so obviously I'm just going to give the wheels a bit more oil on the driving wheels to make sure all those pickups and the lubrication joints are actually there and running for the locomotive to run as well as it should. So pickups from the back wheels should be on, power wheels should be on now. I'm going to turn the power off. Let's see if the power will go. Nothing. That's why. Right. Yeah. She can go really quick, but yeah. The third test probably would be cleaning your track constantly every time the train goes on it, which I will be doing in the future. Today it's just been testing how fast these trains can move, hence why it's called a high-speed test. Right, go on in, try and cut you on, see how fast you move. That's not bad, you know, for someone 40 years old. And I did say about this locomotive being she's got a little bit of knowledge, but she is 40 years old though now, and she runs rather well. Someone's 40 years old. So yeah, not bad. Not bad at all really. That's a scale rate of about 68, 70 miles an hour in scale speed, so it's not bad for a locomotive like this. Not bad at all. In fact, it's quite impressive really. Because someone just 40 years old, so I mean, this train's much older than me. Incredible. Absolutely incredible. It's done. I'm going to stop it there guys because I don't want to burn the motor out, and she's a nice train, but she's not the most strongest of trains, but she's good for speed, which is good, but for putting a load she's not great. Should we do the Pendolino next, or should we do the steam trains next? Well, let's do Mallard and Battle of Britain first, and then we'll crack on with the Class 390 Pendolino. So I think the 390 is actually, the 395 is the Javelin, so the 390 will be the Pendolino, I think, in real life. I think that's how it is, but I'm not sure. You guys will have to tell me more about those than I would. I think that's how it is. Now she's going. Get her speed up a little bit, her motor will kick in. And once she does kick in, she will go rather quickly, but her motor is still rather cold. Come on now boys, high speed test today. She wants to go, and the motor's not quite happy yet to move, but she needs to do a hurry up thing now, because obviously people watching us. Steam drain, get some speed going. You've got straight now, you can use it. Fun mate. Right, I'm going to get the... No, that's the train there. Hold on. This one, yeah. I'll probably also bring out the being it's a high speed test. We're also going to test out my 166 powered motor car at high speed as well today. There's no dummy car to actually connect with a full unit. I'm going to look into getting the first Scott rail unit in the Class 16 delivery, but in 2006 delivery, but she's still going, she's holding on. Turn in A4. And when you want introduction, so you get some speed up. I realise A4 so some of the other steam trains are out there over the years. Their top speed in real life, the A4s were hundreds, and in real life A4 has done the top speed of 126 miles per hour back in 1948, is it? I can't remember, but I know it's something around that era, probably even earlier. But yeah, in real life her top speed would have been 126 miles per hour, and it's still unbeaten yet. Well, unless you count the Pendolino, which is one of the fastest trains out there, I think, in England. But in other countries, I think the ice train, the APT, and the APT, not the APT, the ice train, which is in Germany and France and that area. They are the fastest trains in the whole of Europe, I think, but they're certainly the faster ones. So we've got the Battle of Britain up next, and then we've got the Pendolino, and then we'll end with the 166 motor car, since that one doesn't really run for much use anyway. So we're going to test out how fast this unit can go. Let's get the Battle of Britain on and see how fast this model can go, and then we'll do the 2 DMUs left. I will get another DMUs. I'd like to get more DMUs if I can. I'll get a couple this year, but I need to get a computer sorted out as well, because my computer is showing its age big time, and it's not going to last too much longer. A very old laptop, so I had it since 2011, so it's been doing rather well for its age, but it needs to be replaced at some point soon, being how old it is. Here comes the Battle of Britain. Right. Yeah. She's not very fast, is she? Bless her. She's not the fastest of the locos. She's good for strength. Good for strength, not for speed. And I can say that honestly, because in real life, and we already had a derailment, so no, she's not great for speed. Right to be fair, and there's a lot of weird inclines and downhills and uphills on this table. So yes, it's not ideal for a steam train to doing that on the layout, this temporary layout. So on the proper line, on the proper model hour, I'm going to be setting up this summer, which I will show you. Starting progress on that proper dream railway of mine, which will be on a smaller board, but and I will show you all the progress of starting it to the very end. Will be during the summer. I'm making the start progress on it during May or June, and make a starting point on that one. Right, the next one up is the Pendolino, the Class 390 I think this one is. The controller's off, it's fine. But we're all going to know that Pendolino is going to wipe the floor with most of the ones we've already tested at high speed today. So the 06 and the 2D we've already tried today. And they just get around on the straight and really open up a little bit. Now, she has the tilting mechanism, so she could easily go a little bit faster and some could cope. Yeah, this is the thing with the Pendolino. She's signed for fast, signed for speed, but she's also just putting herself, so she will be going. Seeing it's a high speed test, so I've got to counter her in because she is designed for speed, so the way she wibbles as well is to stop her falling off the track, which is quite incredible for a Pendolino. And she does have a tilting mechanism on her. Here she comes. Wiggles. Yep. You know, for